Hello! To connect to Wi-Fi on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, all you have to do is to go into the settings, from here go into connections and press Wi-Fi. Also you need to enable the Wi-Fi first, as you can see, and right now the phone will begin to scan for available networks, and you have to select your Wi-Fi network that you have. In my case it's this network right here, and you have to enter your password, which you can find on the back of your router, or for example if you're connecting to your hotspot, you can find the password in the hotspot options. And as you can see, here is the password. You simply have to tap insert the password, press connect, and just like this, as you can see, we are connected to the network. There's also another way to connect to the network, and you can do this by pressing this button on the top right corner to scan QR code of your network. And you can do this. You can find the QR code of the network by going into the options of your network, and right here is the QR code. You have to draw a pattern, and here, as you can see, here we have the QR code. Let me quickly take a screenshot of this QR code, and I will just show you that if you have this screenshot of the QR code, you can simply press to scan a QR code. You can go into the gallery, and you have this. If you have this QR code, you can select it just like this, press done, and as you can see, the QR code has been scanned, and we are being again connected. In case I were disconnected, we will be connected to this network. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.